सभी पेरेंट्स का सपना होता है कि वो अपने बच्चे को बहुत अच्छी परवरिश दें। हाय, आई एम प्रीति एंड आई एम हियर टू मेक योर जर्नी easier or even more effective. In this video, I will discuss 7 points on which most of the parents are balanced due to lack of knowledge or experience. My first point is raise yourself. If we want to inculcate good habits or moral values in our children, first we have to raise ourselves. Children learn more quickly by imitation rather than what we teach them. So before teach them, make yourself perfect and believe me, your children will imbibe all of your good qualities in no time. My second point is let them do mistakes. I have seen most of the parents try to stop their child before their mistake. No, it is absolutely wrong way. Children learn more by their mistakes. More number of mistakes they will do, more they will learn, and this memory will go in their permanent memory. See, if you start a business and your business got success in single slot, you will be happy, but it might happen that in difficult condition you are not able to stand because the ability to cope up with difficult situation is not developed in your machinery. On the other hand, if a person starts business and he got success after 10 or 15 times failures, there would be more chances that he would be able to cope up in difficult situation, or he would be able to stand with challenging situation. So here my point is, let your child to do mistakes. It will acknowledge them not only the right way but all the possibilities of failure and come out with a smart solution. My third point is no need of extra care. Care is good, but extra care is definitely a wrong option. See, if two child is there, child A and child B. Child A got extra care, means all time cap, shocks, no ice cream, no cold drink, all time lukewarm water. And child B got care of okay times, means it might be sometime cap or socks are apart from him, he can enjoy ice cream. And what we see in this case, child A get cold more frequently, rather child B is fit and fine. The fact behind this is that child A does not develop adaptation process, or his immune system is not strong enough due to extra care. So care is good, but extra care. My third point is let them learn by their own experience or observation. In their early years of life, in spite of giving them bookish knowledge, let them learn by their own experience or knowledge. See, observation is the first step of learning scientifically also. And a very famous child psychologist Rousseau has told, nature is a great teacher. It creates calm and soothing effect. Let your child to be in the lap of nature. Let him observe birds, sunlight, water, rain. Let him observe how a small seedling grow into a tall big plant. Let them learn by their own observation and experience. My fifth point is make your advice or scolding expensive. See, your child is not going to listen you by scolding also. Then what is the reason to scolding? Why to scold so oftenly? And your advice is also to the point और हैविंग मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स. सी, हमारे साथ भी तो होता है ना, अगर ऑफिस में या घर में किसी का रोज टेप रिकॉर्डर ऑन होता है, हम अरे जाने दो, ये तो रोज का इनका. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर योर चिल्ड्रेन, दे आर मोर स्मार्टर और टैलेंटेड देन यू. ओके, सो माई सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज लेट देम वेस्ट टाइम. यस, in their early years of life, let them waste time, because this is the way they will learn how to save time, how to manage time. Nowadays, while higher studying or office work pressure, 24 hours is less for a day. So Managing time is a prime requirement which your child will learn while wasting time in his early years of life. Okay, my last point is liberation and acceptance. Most oftenly, parents think that we can think best about our children, so our children should act or even think according to us. But here they do the biggest mistake. See, love creates no foundation, love creates freedom. And we have to understand the fact that our children come through us, not from us. Our children are not our part, they are a complete independent soul. So they can have their own different choices. Every soul needs acceptance. So we should have a fine balance of liberation and acceptance while raising our child. This is all what I want to say in this video. Tell me in the comment box which point do you like the most. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.